mapapasmile ka sa charm ng kanyang dala. Let's welcome Zach Guerrero!
Hello, Zach!
Sundan na natin ang ating singer and actor na kilala sa kanyang journey sa Idol Philippines and sa kanyang role as Lord sa He's Into Her. And now excited na rin ang kanyang upcoming project na Next Big Band. Sabay-sabay natin tawagin, Jello Marquez!
Alright, ngayon naman, guys, baka malito kayo kasi hindi siya si Justin Bieber. This PBB Connect alumni is a mainstay on ASAP and previously part of the I Want series Teen Clash. Mga kapamilya, let's give it up for Kobe Brown! Yes!
Baka malito nga talaga sila with Justin Bieber for this one. Let's welcome Kobe once again. And from someone na galing sa PBB Connect, hindi naman papatalo ang rep na ito from PBB Lucky 7! Series guy ng He's Into Her, Tara G, and playing the bestie, Emma. Let's welcome Valerie! Ayan na, nako-kompleto na ang cast po natin. May inabangan pa ba kayo? May kulang pa ba? Meron pa daw!
Okay!
And of course, ang pinaka-inabangan ng lahat, PBB Gen 11's Breakout Love Team in their first I Want series, Gateway Mall 2. Guys, let's get ready. And sa ating mga certified kamumus all around the world, let's welcome JM Ibarra and Fian Smith!
What if, guys, in my 11 sabay-sabay natin sabihin, JM Fiang! JM Fiang! JM Fiang! JM Fiang!
Yes, mga kamus at mga kapamilya, nandito na ang buong cast natin ng Ghosting. Maraming salamat everyone. And let's ask for a quick photo op and a message, syempre, no? From the whole cast. So mag-hi muna tayo sa lahat. Let's start with Zach.
Hello po, mga kapamilya. Short but sweet, ha? Hello po sa lahat ng mga pumunta dito. Salamat po sa pagsuporta sa Ghosting at sa JM Fiang sa amin lahat. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo ang Ghosting tulad po ng paggawa namin nito.
Hello po mga kapamilya. Thank you so much for coming out today. And I really hope you guys enjoy the show that we made. Very excited. Super excited.
Hi, everybody! Alright. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa special screening ng Ghosting. Sana po ay mag-ghostuhan niyo po. Mapapanood din niyo mamaya kasi gustong-gusto din po namin na panoorin mamaya with you guys. Thank you! Hello po! Magandang gabi! Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. I'm Miss Ivana. Maraming salamat po sa pag-accept ng invitation kay Meme Vice, Jolly, and Colette. Ayan, maraming salamat and maraming salamat po sa mga inasal, Dearface, Scientific, Mobile Legend, Prestige, ano pa ba? Brilliant! Maraming salamat po.
And maraming salamat sa pagpunta ng lahat. And of course, gusto rin namin pasalamatan ang ating I Want family. Kay Kuya EJ, directed, kay Miss Cathy, and Direk Red. Maraming salamat sa buong prod, sa buong crew. And of course, maraming salamat po sa pagtitiwala sa amin para sa first project na to.
Ayan! Maraming salamat po din kay Sir JB Lopez. Ayan, maraming salamat po and kay Direk Lauren. Thank you!
Thank you. Gateway Mall 2. Ulit palakpakan natin ang cast ng Ghosting! Let's have one more photo together. Ayan. Compress po tayo. And finally, mapapanood na natin ang inaabangan natin for a couple of months already, ang Ghosting. Ayan. Let's have one more photo up over here para sa cast po natin. Ang ganda ng mga outfits nila, ayan na.
Yes, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, di ba Jay? Sobrang it's giving mga stars ng galaxy.
Yes, on
diba?
team talaga sila for tonight. Ayan.
O, diba?
There you go. More photos from left and right. Thank you so much.
Yes, congratulations again to our cast of Ghosting. We are so excited. Grabe. Once again, this is JM Fiang's first ever digital series. Palakpakan po natin sila. Yes.
There you go. Alright, thank you so much. And I think our cast can actually proceed to their seats.
Yes, go ahead, guys.
Yes, thank you so much.
There you go again. A big shout out to our head of ABS-CBN Digital. Hello, Sir Jamie Lopez. Also, Sir Jolly is
Hi,
here
Sir
as
Jamie.
well.
Sir
Mr.
Jolly,
Marina.
yes.
Yeah.
Our executives from iWant, thank you so much. And we'd also like to acknowledge, of course, Direk Lauren Jogi once again, the head of Star Magic and Entertainment Production. And dito rin, of course, Sir Jolly. Sir Jolly, thank you so much for being here tonight.